I believe this program is good for high school students because it gives them early exposure to different healthcare paths.
I'm just grateful that I got to experience something like this and all the things that I got to do.
Those are all very interesting. It was very hands-on.
I had a lot of fun.
The Health Sciences Academy is an opportunity for students to learn about the various opportunities that are available in healthcare.
I feel like it could expand my knowledge more on the medical field for what I already want to do, just to see what I want to do and what I do not want to do, rather than just blindly going out into the field saying I want to do this or that.
I think I do definitely want to do something in healthcare, but I just don't know exactly what. But this has shown me different options in healthcare.
The Health Sciences Academy is a 3-year program. These first 2 weeks is to expose the students to different opportunities that are there.
And it was definitely a very eye-opening experience just to be able to see things for what they actually are.
The juniors will come back next year to do the hands-on portion of their anatomy lab. Most districts will get dual enrollment credit for this, but they all will get that science credit that they can put towards their future education. It offers them an opportunity to explore career fields that they may not have thought of. Often when they think of healthcare, they may think of just doctors and physicians, but we try to expose them to all different sorts of healthcare opportunities.
So we're scanning the thyroid, so just off the center of the neck.
So I'm interested in ultrasound, and my first time experiencing it was here at the academy, and I think that it definitely sparked a higher interest in me. I just felt connected to it. That's the best way to put it.
1, 2, 3, up. Us doing the procedures with the athletic trainer in the ODU campus helped me realize that that is something I really want to do.
At the nursing school, it was really cool to be able to see all the simulations.
I say it was very cool seeing how they use the equipment.
The Nightingale was definitely fun to learn about and to understand their procedures and how they do things.
Seeing the Nightingale helicopter was one of my favorite parts.
So the cohort is made of students from 3 different school districts. We have Chesapeake Public Schools, Northampton Schools, and Portsmouth Schools that all come together for this 2-week experience.
On the Eastern Shore, there isn't that many opportunities like this, so it's really cool to do something like this.
So over the 2 weeks, we do see a lot of growth and change in the students because during the course of the 2 weeks, we introduce them to different fields. They do a capstone project where they get to show us what they've learned.
I'm gonna go ahead and do your evaluation.
And so watching them from when they arrive that first day to the final day when they're presenting to us and then ultimately to their parents, we see their confidence grow, their knowledge grow, and just really deepen their desire to go into healthcare.
To the donors of this program, we would greatly appreciate you guys. You guys are like our silent teachers.
Say thank you. It's a really good opportunity, and I'm really glad that I got to do it.
I would like to thank all the donors that contributed to this program and allowing me to just get all this experience in. This program definitely helped me solidify what I wanted to do in life.